Hola!
Hola!
Welcome to Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne. Today it's Thirsty Thursday.
Thirsty Thursday.
It's the 9th of May and it's a lovely warm day, about 25 degrees.
It is indeed.
It is.
And today we've come to San Luis, not far from us. Oh look, I've shown my pint, look.
You're not supposed to show that.
No, I'm not supposed to show that, it's supposed to be
I'm
before we
hiding
get...
mine.
Yeah, anyway. We've got us pints. We've just come out to do a little introduction to tell you where we are, because today we've come to the Shamrock. It's a fairly new bar, opened in November actually. Fantastic owners called
Mary and Tony.
Mary and Tony. Very, very nice people.
A true Irish bar.
And it's a proper Irish bar. The Shamrock, Irish name, Irish people, and it's
Very busy.
very busy.
Whereabouts is it?
Whereabouts is it?
Where are we?
It's between Dillis and Alingui in San Luis. So it used to be, what did it used to be, this place?
It used to be Hoggies. And they've still
bar.
actually got Hoggies above it.
Have they?
Yeah. On the
Oh
top.
yeah, it does say Hoggies above. So, but it's been taken over by these lovely Irish people, and it's a proper Irish bar. A lot of music going on.
Good food.
Some great food. The drinks are cheap, aren't
On
they?
a Thursday they are.
Thursday.
At the moment,
Special offer. Get down, it's like buy one, get one free, isn't it?
I'm still bottled.
It's like a bog off offer. Bog off
Bog off offer.
Bog off offer. So
And they do cocktails.
they do cocktails as well, so get yourself down here and we'll show you a little bit inside now. Come on, I'll show you inside.
It's been a lovely afternoon.
I've right enjoyed myself, it's been great, you know. What a great atmosphere.
Yeah, I think Keith's still going on.
Keith, thumbs up for Keith.
Yeah.
Hey, thumbs up for
Thumbs
Keith.
up.
And his missus.
Yeah, it's been a great afternoon. The music's gone down really well.
Yeah.
A lot of people dancing. Beer's been flowing.
Oh, that's the flow. We've been 3 times, haven't we? We've had a breakfast. We had a breakfast yesterday morning because we were passing.
Yeah.
We always got the bacon butty on a Wednesday for the quiz.
Quiz night.
And the play cards, right? I won 2 bottles of wine. Hey, we did, didn't we?
You wouldn't have won. You would have won. You
wouldn't have won. We've had a few beers. Let me tell you now, we've had a few beers. I won.
You won a bottle of wine. And I won a bottle of wine.
Yeah.
But you opened your bottle of wine.
Did I open it?
When you got home. I didn't open mine.
What did I do with it?
You drank some.
I drank some.
I don't think you finished it.
That's sacrilege, isn't it? Winning a bottle of wine and then drinking it. I was trying to be a good boy.
Yeah, but it all went wrong.
It went wrong at the end. I start off with all good intentions. But
don't last long.
You only live once, don't you?
Yeah.
Here we are at the end of the day at the Shamrock. What time is it now? It is 10 to 7. We've been here since 3 o'clock.
The kid's still playing his music. He was supposed to finish at 6.
It was supposed to finish at 6.
But everybody's having a good time.
So he carried on, the good lad.
But there is a singer coming on tonight. There is another act on tonight at 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
I think.
Hey up. Pleasure to meet us. Oh, it's Fred. Okay. Love you. Nice to see you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah, lovely
all
to
right.
see you. Thanks a lot.
Ta-da. See ya. Fantastic. Thank you very much. Lovely. Thank you.
Fine, thank you.
Thank you. So, on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So, it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, it's a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, because
it's free.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell.
3,
3, 2, 1. Adios.